Everybody's in the house. I say everybody's in the house. Hip hop is in your area. Hip hop is in your area. Come on, Joe. Underground is underrated. We are hated and rejected for a more respected. Hell yeah. Some questions and answers said by me. So I guess who's the G? See, that's literally me, baby. So we were. Where are you, big papa? I am just a jam. Cause my hip hopper makes skip beats in tears. So don't tease this. Cause my big crew is an immortal situation, dude. Multiple ways to view the way. Who has the do? Who got the place on the light too? Rolling with my crew, cops, screams like pigs. Street bars, freeze for a polygon on neck. Break your neck, keep your head up, sit. Asturian seats, hip hopper smoking weed. Listening to this, gangsta beats for the streets. Trappers on the seats, you bitch a snitch. You can't compare with my P niggas. You can't compare, you. You can't compare, you. You can't compare, you. You can't compare with my P niggas. Respect the crew, motherfucking rules. The dude.